Welcome to Hiking Misadventures. This weekend, we hiked the Big Schloss in the George Washington National Forest with our little puppy, Sophie. This 4.4 mile in and out hike is fairly easy, but if you're a beginner, you might find the start of this hike a little bit challenging. Getting to the trailhead is fairly easy. The trailhead will be on your left out of the parking lot, and you'll take the Orange Blaze Mountain Mail Trail.
We hiked about, I would say, quarter mile or a half mile up the trail so far. It's pretty steep. The first part of this is the steepest part, and then it's supposed to be pretty grade level once we get past this. We have pretty much finished most of the climbing on this hike, which is the first mile, as I mentioned, and this is the first vista, so this is usually a good resting point for me. Hiking in the snow can actually be a little tiring. It's almost like walking in the sand. The sun has come out and the clouds have cleared, which is nice. Sophie's having a good time, although I think she's ready to get back into the car, or at least have one of us carry her in the backpack. This is the last quarter mile of this hike, or at least quarter mile to the top of this hike. It's fairly steep and rocky, and with snow on the ground, it's actually a little slippery, so you kind of have to pay attention to your footing.
So cool. You can really die here, jeez.
So we're at the top of Big Schloss. As you can see, it is a 365-degree view of mountains and the valley. And today it's actually pretty nice because it's very snow covered. I usually sit up here and have a little bit of a lunch or a snack and before making my way down.
By the time we made our way down, the snow had started melting and the trail had gotten pretty muddy. Poor Sophie, of course, got the brunt of all the mud on her, and we had to do some cleaning up before we could get back in the car. Our little Sophie did a fantastic job. She completed the entire hike by herself. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. You can also now follow me on Instagram and visit my blog at hikingmisadventures.com.